There's only a few times in your career where you get to do something that really is a treasure, a hallmark. So the Ashton Lakes community was the former location of the rural YMCA for Lexington County. Beautiful, beautiful place that had campsites, had an equestrian center, a lake, but there was a more important connection. All of my kids grew up there. YMCA was a part of their life, it was a part of my life. When YMCA decided to become an urban organization and get rid of their rural camps, we had an opportunity to buy this property and continue to allow it to build the community that it had always been for that area of the White Knoll area.
I love the community of Ashton Lakes that we have going in off YMCA Road. I love it because it's in the heart of Lexington, right? It's like 2 miles off I-20. It is rolling hills. It's a beautiful landscape out there. There's a pool, there's a cabana. There's like everything you would love about a community. It feels like it's in the country, but it's in the heart of Lexington, right around everything.
We helped YMCA relocate to their new location so they could continue their mission. And we are continuing our mission out there to make the YMCA property a wonderful community. When we tore that camp up, I was literally out there crying. We were so connected to that community, and we had all these bulldozers out there, and they were just crushing the camp, the clubhouse. We had to relocate all the horse graves. So the street names are named after all the horses that were buried. Because it was an equestrian center, it was pretty emotional. My kids are actually mad now.